Let's look at some real data for global warming. Here's a graph of CO2 levels that were measured and recorded twice a year by a scientist named Charles Keeling from 1957 to 2000. And this graph is called the Keeling curve, and it provides a crucial record for showing how the CO2 levels increased from 315 parts per million to about 370 parts per million in approximately 40 years, and all scientists widely accept this graph. Now, here is a graph of temperature change in Celsius over the past century and a half, and as you can see, there has been a steady increase in temperature of about 1 degree Celsius. And this may sound very small and petty, but having the entire Earth heat up 1 degree is actually fairly drastic. Already, polar ice caps have been melting, and that raises ocean levels, and this can lead to drastic changes in weather patterns. And it's also a flooding threat for a lot of coastal cities, including New York, Los Angeles, and Miami. So now, let's look at the CO2 graph with the temperature graph. And here's solid evidence that the increase in CO2 is directly correlated with the increase in temperature. Although the graphs don't have the same time frame, if you pick out 1960 to 2000 in this temperature graph, you can pretty much see that the patterns in the temperature similarly follow the general patterns in the CO2 levels. And so you see that there's this very strong correlation between the increase in CO2 levels with the increase in temperatures. You may have heard of the debate on global warming in the media, but this debate does not refer to whether or not global warming is happening. Scientists already unanimously agree on the fact. Rather, the debate focuses on whether we need to take action to prevent it, and if yes, which actions we should take. And such a debate is a worldwide concern and has gained international attention.